you going?
Hey guys, we're here dove hunting. We have 4 ducks over there.
Here,
4 ducks. 4 ducks right there.
Look, there's another dove over there.
Right
Show them the
over
dove
there.
flying.
Oh, missed it. Where'd it go?
Babe, coming over, babe.
Oh,
Woo!
nice!
Got him!
I gotta show you guys. Oh. Go get him. Show them how you get him.
Alright. I'm gonna go get the dove right now. Go get the dove right now. Here it is. Oh. Oh, you shot his face off. No. Ew. Alright. I'm not, look what he did to him. Look what he did. Poor dove. Poor dove. You can see my dad over there. Oh, no, never mind. Well, poor dove. Oh, he's dead already. So, oh my gosh. I don't like, well, I do like killing stuff, but seeing that is horrible. Now we have.
Did you get me shooting?
No.
Oh, bro, what are you doing? Taking a video of your face, man. Turn it around.
Now we have 30. No.
No, look, stop.
Now we have.
Don't keep it down there.
There's one. There's 3.
Okay, stop.
No.
Dad.
I can see them. Where to go?
Is it because I screamed?
We have 23 ducks. Doves. I keep on saying ducks, but they're doves. So yeah. This is my gun right there. This is my brother's gun.
Hey, don't do that.
My dad has 2. This is one of his. And then the rest, and then his other one is right, oh gosh, no, so many. And then his other gun, they're gonna be coming right now. He's right over there. There's my dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi, YouTubers.
This is my dad's gun. His is the best gun of them all. I don't know. I love his gun. His gun is awesome. So we're almost finished with the ammo. Oh. We're almost finished with the ammo. We only have like barely any ammo, so we only have like 5 more shells of 5 more shells.
Tom, we'll get back to you when we're done.
We'll get back to you guys when we're done.